Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology for the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today, Blake Ali is going to join us to show us the Enhanced Vision Amigo.
Hi, my name is Blake Ali. I'm the Demo and Loan Lead with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads, and today I will be showing you the Amigo by Enhanced Vision. All right, this is the Amigo by Enhanced Vision. It's an 8-inch electronic magnifier, can be handheld. But it's going to be a pretty simple device, but it's going to be for people that are low vision. Maybe they need a little assistance with reading text or just seeing things at a larger size. So it does have a power button here at the top, but besides that, it's pretty much just going to be these 4 buttons. So I'll start over here. This is going to be for color contrast. Some people have an easier time seeing on different color contrasts, so I'll flip through a couple of those just so you understand what I'm talking about. So you can see there's just those different colors and contrasts there. And next up here is going to be a camera button. If you press and hold that, I'll show you what that does. It takes a photo of the whatever the text or whatever underneath the camera is going to be. And then at that point, if you pick up and move, you see that it stays on the screen. So it's kind of just like a screenshot in case you wanted to take a screenshot of something and get back to that. To exit back into the normal mode, we just press that camera button again, and that will put us back to the normal mode. Then there's going to be a plus and minus button over here on the side. Those are going to be to zoom in and zoom out. So I will zoom in here, right on the word technology, so you can see that. And then if you want to zoom out, you just press that minus button. Another thing is if you press both of these at the same time, it will give you these arrows as you see. And that's going to be if you zoom in, like let's say you zoom in pretty far on some text, and the text is no longer on the screen because it doesn't fit. With these arrows, then you can press the arrow. For instance, I'll press this arrow here, and as you see, it can slide over. And then this will be we can go down, and you can see I can then scroll down with that arrow. So that's just a nice way to be able to see everything on the screen, even if you are zoomed in all the way. And then if you want to just get back to normal and get rid of those arrows on the screen, once again press these 2 buttons over here, and that gets rid of it. And that's pretty much what that's for. And that's going to be, once again, the Amigo by Enhanced Vision.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.